Hello, this video to share with you how I install the IoT relay for the dust collector to work with the Ultimail. So basically, the IoT relay, this is a device, right? And this cable is the power cable for the IoT relay. Just go to the power, right? And here you have four options. So basically, you have normally on, always on, and then you have two options for normally off. That's what we wanted to use for the dust collector. So the dust collector go in here, okay? And basically the signal comes to the IoT relay through this cable that is connected to the super long board. So basically it comes with this plug, and you just use a cable, like thin cable. The recommended is 16 gauge. I use something else really. Well, what I use actually is the Ethernet cable. So, but it worked just fine. So this cable connects to the super long board, and basically the what I was trying to do all morning actually to find the right plug. So basically, those ones here on top, I use one of those plugs, and so it comes here, and then there are some empty one. Don't use the empty one. The empty one doesn't do anything. It seems it's not connected to anything. So take out one of those. So what you find here, this is a male and a female, right? So take one of those males, connect it to that cable, the other end of that cable, and just connect it here, okay? And that's basically it. It's very simple. And in order to test it, there are two commands. So in order to have it running, I just need to the console here, and the command M8, it turn on, M8 basically sends signal to turn on the dust collector. So see, in order to stop it, basically M9. So now I'm able to control the dust collector from the program. Now there are two options: to keep adding M8 at the beginning and M9 at each one of your jobs, but there is another option, cool option here in G-Sender, which I did actually. So you go here to settings, and you go all the way to program event, and then you have four options: program start, program stop, program pause, program resume. So basically I added M8 for program start and program resume. M8 for program start, M9 for program stop, program pause actually should be 9, sorry, and resume it should be 8. So whenever you want it to turn it on with the program, that's where you put it here. Just make sure that you click update. So I just need to update these two, right? So what I will do now, I'll just load the job. Let's say this one, and then I'm gonna click start. I'm not gonna run it, but I'm gonna just click start. It does not have the start and end, M9 and M8 in the job itself. It's just in this G-Sender. So when I click start, I'm just gonna stop it. And that's about it. I hope that was helpful. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.